Apple Care Mobile Shop, D Grand Zane Plaza. We welcome every newcomer and those already connected with us who watch our video. Welcome. In this video, we will tell you how to repair the audio SC of your iPhone 7 Plus. We'll tell you how you can tell if the problem is with its audio SC in hardware. As we have shown you in the beginning of the video, we dial a number, and when we press the loudspeaker, it gives us a hidden show. As you will see in the second screen, you will see that we dial this number and after it is styled when we press its speaker option. So he found us doing some work. Carefully pull the board out of its fitting. Audio SC will be rebolted by us. The audio SC in the phone can either be broken or out of balance due to stress on the phone or due to dropping the phone, due to which the loudspeaker does not work. This phone will also have a similar problem, due to which the loudspeaker in the phone will stop working. It would be better to remove the pre-installed IC on the phone and replace it with a new audio IC so that the phone works properly. Air gun temperature should be between 360 and 380 while removing the IC. After setting the IC, clean the memory chip on it with the help of mobile board cleaner and let the board cool down. Your temperature should be so that the memory chip does not get too hot. If the temperature is high, your memory chip can also suffer from. We will then service the bottom and audio ICs with a good mobile cleaner. Then again, we will carefully fit the board into its frame, fitting all the connectors tightly so that there is no looseness in any of the connectors. Again, we check the phone by first installing the LCD. After unlocking the phone password, we will now dial the number in the same way we dialed the number before and see if our speaker is still hidden. We are not getting speaker hidden show like before, and our loudspeaker is working in normal condition. Hope you like our video, like and subscribe to our channel. And press the bell icon for more videos like this.